In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Shopify store, how to cancel Shopify plan subscription, Shopify store deactivate. We'll walk through the exact path inside your Shopify admin to cancel your plan and deactivate your store. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make a quick backup of anything important, like product lists or customer data, and make sure you've handled any open orders or refunds. Once you deactivate, billing stops, and you'll need to pick a plan again if you decide to reopen later. Start by heading to your Shopify admin. From the main menu, go to Home so you're on the dashboard. If a prompt or banner appears at the top of the page related to your plan or account, click the highlighted option to acknowledge it. Then return to Home so you're back on the main dashboard view. Next, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This opens a new page with several sections that control your store. Choose Plan. This is where Shopify shows your current subscription details and any trial status. If you're on a trial, click Cancel Trial. If your interface looks slightly different, the wording can vary, but you're looking for the option that begins the cancellation process. On the next screen, click Cancel Plan to continue. Shopify may show helpful prompts or alternatives during this flow. When you see a highlighted option on the screen, click it to proceed through the prompts. Click Continue to move forward. You'll be asked to share a reason for canceling. Open the drop-down labeled Please Select and choose the option for permanently closing. Shopify often offers guidance to help you succeed before you commit to canceling. You may see choices like, I want help assessing my business strategy, and Sidekick can help with that. Click through these as they appear so you can continue the flow. They won't stop the cancellation unless you decide to take an alternative path. If another highlighted confirmation appears, click it, then click Continue again. To finalize, click Cancel Trial. This confirms that you want to deactivate your store and end your current plan or trial. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you use third-party apps, removing your store may not automatically end charges outside Shopify, so review any app subscriptions separately. If you plan to come back later, your store data is typically retained for a period, and you can reactivate by logging in and choosing a new plan. And if something looks different in your admin, don't worry. Shopify updates its interface from time to time, but the path through settings, then plan, and the cancel options remains the same. That's it. You've deactivated your Shopify store and canceled